Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, December the 10th, 2013. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases to find the ones that stand out the most to me, and I talk about what it was about the news that stood out to me, and hopefully help you find some good companies to do your homework on and find some investment winners in there. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. We're trying to keep this show to around a 10-minute time frame. We've got a bunch of news to talk about today, so I'm going to get right to it. The first company I wanted to talk about today is Impact Silver. Impact Silver have drill results out from their Monte Rico zone in their one of their projects in Mexico. They had some very good drill results in there. For example, I'm just pulling these out quickly. 13 meters of 70 grams per ton silver and some gold, lead, zinc, copper in there as well. They had a 5 meter, or part of that was a 5 meter subinterval of 129 grams of silver. Had another hole with, what do we say here, 4 meters of 101 grams per ton gold. So a bunch of really good drill results in there. And just looking at the stock, it's up 4 cents today, so the market liked the news. The stock has recently been under some pretty good pressure. I think that it's looking like it's trying to find a bottom now, and once it finds that bottom, it'll be ready to head into a more positive trend, and I think they're at the bottom now. The stock symbol for Impact Silver is IPT, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. The next company I wanted to talk about today is Platinum Group Metals. Platinum Group Metals announced that they've arranged $175 million bought deal financing, and this they're looking at use the funds to partially finance their Phase 2 development at their Bushveld JV project in South Africa. And so, very good sign when this kind of money steps up to the plate. The stock's down 7 cents today. I think that just could be, initial worry about some dilution there, but nonetheless, the stock has been in a very much stronger bullish trend since back in June, July. And looks like it's got some more upside to it as well now that they can move forward aggressively with the project. Their stock symbol is PTM, and Platinum Group Metals trades on the Toronto Exchange. Next company is Fission Uranium. Fission Uranium and Alpha Minerals have closed their respective plans of arrangement. Now they've now 100% of this company, the Patterson Lake project, will go to the Fission Uranium, and Fission Uranium are spinning off their assets to a new company that they're outside of the Patterson Lake project that they're calling Fission 3.0. And then Alpha is going to spin their assets outside of the Patterson Lake project into Alpha Exploration. Alpha Exploration symbol will be AEX, and I'm just looking for, I don't know if Fission 3.0 will be FUU. And so the new Fission Uranium with the 100% interest in the project, the Patterson Lake, will remain with the symbol FCU. Next company is Lakeshore Gold. Lakeshore Gold plans to increase their 2014 production guidance. They've now increased that from 140,000 ounces annually to 160,000 ounces. Their cash operating costs will be between $675 and $775, and all-in sustaining cash costs from $950 to 1,050. So even at today's prices of gold, they're looking at making a healthy margin, and as gold goes up, which I think it is going to, Lakeshore will make even more profit off that project. Lakeshore Gold's stock symbol, just pulling it up here, they're up 3.5 cents today to 44 cents. Stock's been trending sideways with an upwards bias lately. The moving averages are converging. I think that this is all very bullish for the company, and I'm looking to see it continue to move to the upside. LSG is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next company up is Monument Mining. Monument Mining had drill results from their Malaysia project, Selinsing. It's an open pit gold mine in Malaysia. They had 56.5 meters of 1.44 grams per ton gold. And so, yeah, a bunch of other drill results in there, or drill holes in there. You can take a look at their website for that news. The stock's down 0.5 penny today to 24 cents. Just looking at the trend in the stock, and it doesn't look very good. I think that this one needs to start to find a bottom. From there, it can get stronger, but still maintains to see if they have hit a bottom. The next company is Balmoral. Balmoral and GTA Resources and Mining have a project joint venture, their North Shore property in Ontario. They announced 9.47 grams per ton gold over 9 meters. Very good intersection there. They had some other intersections like 3.3 meters of 15.97 grams per ton gold, 1 meter of 41 grams per ton gold. Very interesting numbers there. And just looking at the stock, it's up 0.5 penny today to 31.5 cents. Stock has been bottoming of late and looking like it wants to get a little bit stronger now. BAR is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next company is Ascot Resources. Ascot Resources announced that they've intersected 28.26 meters of 4.91 grams per ton gold in their Unicorn zone at their Premier project. Premier project is in the near Stewart, British Columbia, Canada. Very well-known area for high-grade gold. They had several good intersections in there. You could take a look at it on their website. The stock has not traded today, and so no reaction immediately from the news. This is a bit of a patchy trader here. Bottomed in August and has been getting firmer, but again, it kind of goes through days when it, that it doesn't trade anything, or no volatility and low volume. This company really could use from, getting some, growing their audience of investors that follow the company. AOT is the stock symbol. They trade on the venture. Next company up is Trevali Mining. Trevali Mining had some drill results from their Santander mine in Peru. They're very good looking drill holes, 5.6 meters of 51.71 grams per ton gold. Had another intersection there of 5.97 meters of 58 grams, 30 meters of, those are all in the silver. So I think I might have said gold there. Sorry about that. They had a 7.25 meter intersection of 115 grams per ton silver, with also some very good zinc and lead numbers in all those drill holes as well. The stock is up 3 cents today to 88 cents. And stock's definitely been on a much more bullish trend since back in late June, and looks to have more good performance ahead of it. And the final company today is Virtutone Networks. Virtutone Networks is a AGORACOM sponsor. Wanted to get that out of the way first. They had some drill results. Sorry about that. They had some results. They've acquired a customer base and new revenue recently. They've they've taken over. They will be taking over an additional 1.2 million in revenues per month at a gross profit margin of 3%. As part of the acquisition, Virtutone has agreed to issue 1 million shares for the transaction for a deemed value of $370,000 in two parts, 50% upon closing of transaction and 50% 6 months after, which will give them an additional revenue or provide gross margin for additional revenue of $36,000 or more per month. Management is very happy with this acquisition. Their stocks is up 4.5 cents today to 40.5 cents. It's getting close to its yearly high. Stock's been definitely doing a lot better since May. Kind of went sideways from June until October, and then has been performing much stronger. A lot of that stronger action, I think, has to do with how they've been growing their revenue consistently month over month, and they recently just had quite of a blowout month. So Virtutone's stock symbol is VFX. That's all the news for today. Before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. On that note, have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.